AI technology is getting crazy. I'm still in gear. I can't find neutral. Try to cut me off. I can't believe our best buy is gone. Oh, ow. Oh. Follow the leader. Oh, there's an open door. Oncoming traffic, oncoming traffic. 2024 WR450, baby. Before we go on today's ride, I actually got some fixing up to do. We're gonna be throwing the wheel back on, doing an oil change, try to get this thing cleaned up and looking nice again. As well as that, we got some new grips that we're gonna throw on, possibly my handbrake. I got some risers finally, been needing those. Those are gonna make a huge difference. I've got some stunt pegs. That's not going to be for today's adventure, but then I've also got this bad boy. So this is why I had my wheel off. I've got this new chain guide. I absolutely needed one because my other one was completely shredded apart and falling to pieces. And the chain riding right on the swing arm makes a lot of noise. And now I have that to deal with. It's basically like molded into the swing arm. I'm going to knock all this out. I'll catch you guys in a second. What's going to be a second to you might be a little bit for me. Windy. Oh yeah, that feels weird. Oh. There we go. Oh shit. There goes the KTM. There's a KTM in the back of that truck. Let her out and let her back in as soon as you let her out. Just let it out, right to where you need it to be, that you know where you're coming up.
Do you even listen to yourself when you talk?
Yeah, I don't know, I might go with a little shorter of a riser. I like this, but it almost seems too much. Got some new grips too, same ones that I got on the YZ, but they're pretty comfy and they're lock-on. Oh, that's neutral. Where did Kmart go? Let's play a little game. Who's gonna get a flat tire first? This once upon a time was a Kmart. Circle drive that would take you around right here. A piece of rebar hanging out. Maybe I can do a wheelie on Kmart's old grounds. We're gonna get this though. Ah! There we go. Turn it. Up, can turn it. What the hell are you doing? Does anybody even remember Kmart? This is the big Kmart. We miss you, Kmart. I'm thinking about going up these stairs. It's pretty tight at the top. Risers. Follow the leader. When I was a kid, Kmart was like better than Walmart. Ow. Ow. See you later, Luther. Hello? How many homeless he think's in there right now? Some glass right there? That's pretty cool. There's a creek down there. That's where all the homeless walk up, I guarantee you. That's where it's all, yeah, all matted down. It was grabbing my clutch cable, or my clutch lever. We're just going to all the big retailers today. Bruh. If I had my backpack on me, I miss the Girl Scout cookies. I'm wondering when those are coming back around. Oh shit. Alright, well, that was fun. Oh, really soft. You still had some mud on your tires. See how a knee knocker feels right here. We got Scooter Gang, one of the real boys. Probably walk my bike faster than this. He's got her pegged. He's running to the pits.
Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's go racing, boys!
I'm trying to give him neutral. I'm still in gear. I can't find neutral. There, I got it. I'm slowing down. Try to cut me off. Oh, now you cut me off real big. I'm using my brake a lot. Airstream, airstream. Oh, you're just fatter. Beep, beep, beep. I had to make sure you heard it. We're on the e-bikes. Stark Varg. Yeah, finally eating all those cheeseburgers really helped you out. Oncoming traffic, oncoming traffic. Now I'm winning. I'm winning. You want to help him push his stuff out of the road? What happened? Oh, an accident? What year is your bike? Crazy, we got 5-year-old bikes now. I feel like we just bought them. Like, a lot of tints. What's up, bro? So much f***ing trash, dude. So yeah, looking at the finest people around here. Doesn't bother me if they camp out down here, but you know, at least kind of pick up after yourself a little bit. I know you're kind of down on life. Can't be too hard on you for that. I wish you the best, but man, kind of do your part. Try to make this place a little less trashy. At least try. Some nice riverfront property though. Yeah, man, AI technology is getting pretty crazy. I don't want to super nerd out on it in this video. I do keep up with all the AI and all the different technologies that are out there now, and how many different things use AI that we don't even realize, especially when you just look at one little pocket of the AI, like ChatGPT for example. That's just one company that's doing it, and Elon has his own AI company now, which was to combat something that he created in the first place. Now that it's getting out of control, and hear him talk about how concerned he is for AI is something that's pretty scary, let alone. One reason I'm talking about AI is, well, I'm using AI in this video. With a little bit of Google Maps and blending technology, I can record a video that is recorded somewhere else and on a public roadway to make it look like I'm doing something that I'm actually not. Pretty cool how it works. It's the most legal way to do what I do, recording on a closed course, parking lot. It's a little more work, but I record a video there, record a video of me just riding around. I'm able to create pretty much whatever I want. future of AI is pretty cool. You look at things like gaming, and I think eventually you'll be able to type in whatever kind of movie we want to watch with our favorite actors. You look at an example, I don't remember what it was. I'll try to pop it up on screen if I can find it, but it's something like create a video flying overhead in Japan along a walkway. I don't remember exactly what the text was, but the pure quality of this video and how realistic it looked, and it's completely computer generated. In case you're living under a rock, AI is completely computer generated stuff, and you can use it for anything. Like even Snapchat has its own AI, and recently I was upgrading my gaming PC, and I was actually using Snapchat AI to help me figure out what parts are compatible for my computer and what it recommends, and it does it within a second. It's like you're having a conversation. One of the smartest people that has a whole general knowledge of the entire internet within seconds. And you look at something like that, it's really weird to where you can make it like your friend. And we're going to be seeing that in the future too, especially when you consider people from other countries that are acting like girls to get money out of these guys that genuinely think they're in a relationship. Is there going to be a restriction on AI being able to do that? I don't know what we're doing right now. Oh my god, there's dogs. Dogs. There's another one. I don't want that thing under my tire. I think there's a lot of good and a lot of bad with AI, but you know, it does need to be controlled before it gets out of hand. It does do some amazing things. I'll be doing some things to make it more entertaining for my videos for sure. But, you know, I'm not trying to overdo it either. There's even AI that helps show you what's the most entertaining video possible and improvements that you can make, and that's already on YouTube. When you look at things like Neuralink, for example, it's going to be a big part of what makes us superhuman and the next generation of humans. I will make a full video talking about all that stuff, nerding out on all that stuff. I'm pretty big into it. I think it's interesting. Did a few things to the KTM. Eventually I'm going to be putting my handbrake back on here. You guys seen the video, me putting it on before. I never could actually get it bled right, and that's something I'm definitely going to take care of. I got a whole new master that I'm going to be putting on. Hopefully that's all my issues. Got some new risers. Might be buying some shorter ones. These are a little bit much. Hopefully the handlebars ain't too much in the camera whenever I'm doing a wheelie. It feels really comfy in a knee knocker, I will say that. They do look kind of goofy and cool at the same time. Really comfortable cruising. These are like the 38 millimeters, I believe. I'm gonna hang on to these just in case when the bike gets completely stunted out. It might be something I want to try. Anyway, y'all, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's video. And if you want to see another one just like this one, be sure to click the video on the screen right now. And until next time, y'all, I'm out of here. Peace.